Yes, ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable na monthly DP sa 13 Martires, Cavite for as low as 3,709 monthly DP ay meron ka ng 2-story minimalist house na may provision for 3 bedroom at meron na din itong carport at may 2 toilet and bath na. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. May available pa tayong inner and at corner units. Kaya naman sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mga corner lots, tamang-tama ito dahil nasa intro price pa lang tayo. Located ito sa Barangay de Ocampo, 13 Martires, along Tansa 13 Road. Kaya naman few minutes drive lang tayo going to SM 13 and Vista Mall Tansa. Basic finish turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize natin ang interior design ng ating property. Minimum lot size is 44 square meters at ang floor area natin ay 58 square meters. Napakataas din ng ating floor to ceiling height, kaya naman pwede dito makapaglagay ng attic at mga lofted beds. You can reserve this property for as low as 5K reservation fee at ang ating estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig for inner unit is 14,000 and for corner units naman ay 20,000. Kaya huwag magpauli habang nasa introductory price pa lang tayo. Send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!